Hello kids, how are you doing? I'm so bored of our classes. So today we are going to create a house where the bird lives there. Okay, so what do we need for this? Stick glue, scissors, color paper, You see, I've got brown, also light blue and red, and also black marker. Okay guys, and also we need paper cardboard. Guys, you should draw on the brown paper such lines. You see, you should draw nine guys, 9 brown lines. Wood, this is woods it will be. Okay, and also a body of a bird like this. It look like a drop, raindrop, and also wing, also it look like a drop. You see? Okay guys, and also you should draw and cut out with the help of scissors, such legs and beak of a bird. You see? I think mommy and daddy help you to cut out these things. You see? Okay. So guys, I want to say you that I've got some blanks of house. This is wood blocks. Also this is a body of a bird and a wing of a bird. Also I've got legs. It will be legs 1, 2, and it will be a beak of a bird. You see? So, and let's start to create a house where a bird lives there. Okay guys, our bird is done. You see a house where the bird lives. So that's it. Guys. You see our work is done. Little bird lives in his house. You see, I hope that everything works out for you, and see you soon. Bye bye, guys.